We live in an age where manifestation is often presented as a quick fix. Scroll through social media and you'll find countless posts promising instant results. Repeat this affirmation 10 times. Write this sentence in your journal every night. Visualize for 5 minutes and your dream life will arrive. It sounds tempting, it feels accessible, and sometimes it even brings small results. But if you've tried these surface-level approaches and wondered, why hasn't my life transformed? Why does it feel like something is missing? You are not alone, because something is missing. The truth is, manifestation is not about tricking the universe into giving you what you want. It's not about forcing, hustling, or trying to bend life into your shape. Real manifestation is not manipulation, it's alignment. It's the process of becoming the version of you who naturally exists in harmony with what you desire. And that requires more than thoughts alone. It requires your mind, your heart, your body, and your soul to move together as one symphony. This is conscious manifestation, and today let's journey into it step by step. Part 1. The mind, the architect of reality. The mind is powerful. It can imagine new futures, design visions, and map strategies. It's like the architect of your inner world, drawing the blueprints for what you want to create. But here's the catch. If your blueprint isn't clear, your energy scatters. Like sparks flying in different directions, nothing catches fire. So ask yourself, what do I truly desire? Not what looks impressive, not what my culture or family told me to want, not what would gain me praise on social media, but what I, in the quiet of my being, actually long for. Ask, if no one ever knew I achieved this, would I still want it? Ask, if no one ever applauded me, would this still matter? These questions strip away ego desires, the ones driven by comparison, pressure, or proving something, and reveal the desires of the soul. Here's a practice. Sit down with pen and paper. Write the question, what is the most honest thing I want right now? Then close your eyes, place a hand on your heart, and breathe deeply. Let the answer rise without judgment. Write it down in raw form. No filtering, no editing. This is your clarity. This is the mind's role. Not to control the universe, but to create a focused blueprint aligned with your truth. Part 2. Beliefs, clearing the static. But even with clarity, there's another layer, your beliefs. Your conscious mind might say, I want abundance. But if your subconscious whispers, money isn't safe, wealth makes people greedy, I'm not worthy of it, then you are broadcasting two opposing signals. One is yes, the other is no, and the universe responds to the dominant frequency, often the one you're not aware of. This is why inner work is essential, not optional. Take time to trace your beliefs back to their roots. Ask, where did I learn this? What experience imprinted this into me? What deeper need is hiding beneath this pattern? Sometimes what seems like I'm not worthy is actually I learned love was conditional, so I overperformed to deserve anything good. The more we reveal these hidden roots, the freer we become. Tools like journaling, shadow work, inner child healing, EFT tapping, and nervous system awareness help shift the subconscious so it stops blocking the flow of what you're calling in. Every time you rewrite a limiting belief, you clear static on the signal between you and your vision. Part 3. The heart, the emotional compass. Now let's go deeper into the heart. The heart is more than emotion. It's intelligence. It knows the difference between chasing what looks shiny and moving toward what feels like home. You might say, I want love. But if your heart is still armored by betrayal, what you're really broadcasting is protection. You might say, I want success. But if your heart associates success with burnout or rejection, your emotional blueprint sends mixed signals. The heart invites you to ask, how does this desire feel inside me? Does it expand me with ease and joy, or does it contract me with pressure and fear? Am I calling this in to fill a void or from a place of wholeness? Here's a practice. Visualize your desire clearly. Now, set the picture aside and feel into what it represents. Is it freedom, safety, connection, joy? Let yourself feel that essence right now. Anchor it in your chest. Breathe into it as if it's already alive in you. Manifestation is not about faking emotions to get something. It's about embodying the state your desire represents so it naturally flows through you. Part 4. The body, the safe vessel. And here is where many people unconsciously block manifestation, the body. You can visualize endlessly and affirm all day, but if your body doesn't feel safe receiving what you're asking for, it will resist. This resistance is not sabotage, it's protection. Your nervous system's main job is to keep you safe, not successful. And what feels safe is often what's familiar, even if it's not aligned. That's why many people get close to a breakthrough, then contract, self-sabotage, or withdraw. The body tightens, signaling, this is unknown, this feels unsafe. So ask yourself, when I imagine receiving my desire, what does my body feel? Do I sense openness or tightness, lightness or heaviness? What might my body be protecting me from? Practices like grounding, breathwork, yoga, dance, or even simple self-touch can signal safety to your nervous system. Whisper to your body, it's safe to expand, it's safe to receive, it's safe to grow. Before you take an aligned step, pause, ground your feet, relax your jaw, breathe slowly. Make your body a safe vessel for what you're calling in. Part 5. Action. Energy in motion. Manifestation is not passive. It's not think it and wait. It's a dance between your energy and your effort. But action here doesn't mean frantic forcing. It means listening deeply and moving in alignment. Ask, what one small aligned step can I take today? What has life already placed in front of me? What would the version of me who already has this do next? Sometimes the step is obvious. Send the email, make the call, post the artwork. Sometimes it's subtle. Rest, reflect, set a boundary, create space. The point is not how much you do, but how aligned your action feels. Let action be a love letter to your vision, not a panic move to rush the outcome. Part 6. Detachment. Trusting the timing. Perhaps the hardest part of manifestation is detachment. We're conditioned to control, to push, to demand results, but conscious manifestation asks us to loosen our grip. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you trust. You say, I've aligned, I've taken the steps, now I release the how and when. This release is not apathy, it's reverence. It's trusting that life has perfect timing, even when your mind doesn't understand it. Often, when you stop strangling your desire with urgency, it arrives more naturally, more gracefully. Try this affirmation. I trust the unfolding of my path. What is meant for me is already on its way. Hold the vision, loosen the grip. That is where magic lives. But there's one more layer, a deeper one. What if your desires aren't just personal? What if they were placed in your heart for a reason? To bless others through you? When your manifestation is rooted not only in your joy, but also in service, the frequency becomes stronger. It expands, and the universe rushes to support it. Ask yourself, how does this desire ripple outward? Does it deepen my integrity, my contribution, my alignment with the whole? When you create from this space, you are no longer just manifesting, you are co-creating with life itself. Part 8. Closing, the new paradigm. So here is the truth. We are leaving behind the old ways of manifestation, The quick fixes, the bypassing, the ego chasing. What's emerging is deeper. It's rooted in wholeness, not performance, in integrity, not image, in embodiment, not empty repetition. Manifestation is not about becoming more, it's about returning to who you truly are. When your mind is clear, your heart open, your body safe, and your soul aligned, you become the clearest channel for the life that was always meant for you. So remember, you are not powerful because you can manipulate energy. You are powerful because you are energy, because alignment makes you magnetic. Stay open, stay grounded, stay true, and watch how life begins to move with you, not against you.